What is up, beautifuls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or of course welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Finn, and in today's video I am so excited and so grateful and very overwhelmed because in today's video, as you can see by the title, I actually have a Mapiful unboxing. Now, Mapiful reached out to me and they allowed me to create my own Mapiful for free, and they shipped it to me and sent it to me for free as well. So I genuinely am incredibly grateful, like beyond grateful. I can't explain how grateful I am. And it makes me laugh because I'm always looking for cute gifts to give people for like Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, and stuff like this, like what I've ordered, is stuff that makes me so happy. I am beyond thrilled that they reached out to me. Thank you so much. So, if you don't know, I've seen Mapiful. I have seen Mapiful before, but I've never ordered anything off there. This is my first ever product from there. And if you don't know, it's kind of a DIY poster, but so much more than that. So Mapiful lets you create beautiful maps for your walls and stuff. I sound like I'm sponsored, I'm not. This is gifted, but I am not being paid to review this. So yeah, whatever, I've left it in the box. Whatever I think of this product, I will tell you the honest truth. And so yeah, you can design your own posters, like you can design the stars at a certain date and time, you can design a map, you can have literally anything that you want on a Mapiful, within reason, kind of. But I'm going to show you really quickly before we start how you can make your own if you want to make your own, because I feel like that's going to be quite cool just to show you, like, I've got one map, but there's a lot of others, so I'm going to show you exactly what they do. Okay, so here is the main page for Mapiful. I already really like the website. You can access this on your phone, on the computer. I don't think they have an app. I'll double check if they do. I don't think they do. It's all on like web browsers. And as you can see, it says design custom wall decor for your special someone. This is so good for like anniversaries. I cannot stress that enough. Anniversary gifts, done. And at the moment, buy 2 items, get 20% off. Valentine's Day. It would be good for Valentine's Day as well. That's good, isn't it? It's nearly Valentine's Day. So let's have a look at the actual products print down. So they have got 4 different ones: classic, star, zodiac and text. So let's have a look at a classic. So a classic Mapiful. Our original all-time community favourite, put your most memorable place in the world on a stylish, tangible print to cherish forever, a real conversation starter. So let's click design our own and see what happens. So this is an example of a classic Mapiful. This is just Paris, France, and you can change the location, you can change the labels, so they can read different things. You can change the style, so like this is asphalt, beautiful. You can have nautical, which again, I love these map ones, and there is so much to pick from. So as you can see by this little page here, a star Mapiful is literally the globe and the stars at a specific point in time and a specific location. So say you got engaged on the 1st of May last year, you can have a Mapiful that shows you the stars on the 1st of May last year at the exact location. So here are the different settings. You've got asphalt, nautical, a retro, that's nice, I like that, a dark one, which I think is really classy. That would look beautiful in a bathroom, like a high-end fancy bathroom. Bright, again really pretty. I'm not going to try and pronounce that because I'm going to get it wrong, but that's really stunning. And then you have this one as well. Now let's show you, I think it's the zodiac one next, which is so cute. If you're into zodiacs and like star charts and things like that, you're going to really like this. So let's just go straight design your own. So this is what it's come up with straight away. Aquarius, the picture. I'm not an Aquarius, so if you know your star sign, you can just click it, and if you don't, you can pop in your birthday, which makes life a lot easier. But I'm a Gemini, so let's click Gemini. And there we go at the top. So this is the main kind of one they do. So Gemini, the twins, expressive, curious and witty. I've never been called witty before, but thanks. They are the same styles per map, but I just think they give it such a different vibe. I love it. I absolutely love it. If we go customize sign, that's just the sign. You can have different attributes. So like the symbol, which would be the twins. The birthstone is pearl. So the typical sizes they do is 50 by 70, 70 by 100 and 30 by 40. And then we've got one more to look at. They also do text art as well, which I find fascinating how this stuff works. So the only way I can really explain it is, like, if you look at this, I'll try and zoom in as well if I can. You pop in your photo that you want to transform into text, and then you pop in a repeated word as well, or a couple of words I think, and it would change the words into the picture. Now I think that's fascinating. I think that is absolutely amazing. So I'm so excited to open it. I'm so excited. I can finally unbox it. Right, here's the box. And I'm not going to show you this bit. Actually, can I cover it up? I don't know. There you go. Just to prove that the shipping is amazing. It was 48 hours and it's not even in England. I'm really impressed. I did get a frame with this, so I am wondering if it came pre-framed or if I do get... I think it came pre-framed. I think if you don't buy a frame with these, they come like wrapped up in a tube to keep it crease free. I'm pretty sure this is the 50 by 70, but I'm going to pop the details down below. And then once... Oh no. Okay, mine has got a little crease in it. It's not in the frame, it is separate, but where the parcel's folded over, it does have a small crease. It's not that bad, and when I put it in the frame, you genuinely won't notice it. Because I did get this gifted, I'm not going to complain about it because I just don't really care that much. But what I will do is that I'm going to email Mapiful and just see if they would give you another one, just for your guys' sake. Because I don't want you guys to order it come creased and you can't send it back. So I'll email them and I'll pop their response here whenever they reply. So let me just show you. This is the poster, and I got my poster of Chelmsford. So Chelmsford is a place that holds a lot of fabulous memories for me. Some of the best memories ever. I cannot explain how much this holds. Like, this is the first place I met Fred. It was the first place that I met all of my best friends. I started my new job here. I moved here for the first time on my own. It was mine and Fred's first date. There are so many places that it just holds so much. I just love it. I absolutely love it. And as you can see, I got mine in the nautical. It is the kind of colourful one. I think it's stunning. I was also given the opportunity to buy a frame, so you can buy the hanging ones, but I didn't buy the hanging one. I bought an actual frame. So I just picked up this one, and it is a simple white frame. So you can hang it up. That's quite good really, because then if you want to buy another one, you can use the same frame, but you can hang it up both ways. It feels really, really sturdy. And yeah, this one is 500 by 700 mil, so 50 by 70. I've not actually seen it yet in the frame properly, and I can't wait. So without further ado, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it's so cute. You can't see the crease in it at all. Not that I'm bothered, because it was gifted. I'm genuinely not bothered. But just for the sake of you guys, if you didn't want the faff and it did come with a little crease, you wouldn't be able to tell. But it holds so many memories, like, I can't explain. I love it. I actually love it. I was going to put this up in the filming room, but what I'm going to do is that, because the house is up for sale at the moment, so I don't really want to put holes in the wall or anything, so I'm just going to pop it here for the time being. I know that you guys can't see it, but when we finally move out and when we get a different house, I'll have a different filming room and it can go up then. But I actually love it. Thank you so much, Mapiful. You've got no idea how much that place means to me. Genuinely got no idea. If you guys have a Mapiful or you've been looking at one, let me know down below. I love finding out people's like home decor and like what they like. I love the nautical. My boyfriend likes the black and white, so we're a little bit different in that respect. But I'm so happy with that. And that's it. That is the end of my YouTube video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new here and you haven't yet done so, please maybe consider subscribing. I'm on the way to 1500 and I so appreciate it. I normally post beauty, hair care, makeup kind of content stuff. This is a bit different. Stay safe, stay happy, stay smiling, and I cannot wait to see you in the next YouTube video. Until then, love you, bye.